Do you know your...
No, I have no idea.
You're more than welcome to join us. We're not really going that fast. Where are you from?
New Zealand.
New Zealand?
Yeah, I'm Shayla.
Shayla, Paulo.
Paulo?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
That's John.
Hey,
Hi.
how's it going?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Bill.
Hello.
Hello.
Shayla.
Good.
Cool.
Shayla?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Awesome, alright. How are you doing?
Hi.
Hey guys.
How's it going?
Awesome, how are you?
Yeah, good. It's just you?
Yeah, 3 times I tried to start and I got
It's all good.
Straight?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
Oh, yeah.
good job, man. When I saw this, holy fucker.
Hit the wall.
Hi. Do they go straight?
They're there.
Oh.
How many more than behind you guys?
This one more.
Just
One more? Okay,
no, I
three.
think there's 3.
Oh, 3 more?
Someone, yeah, up here just,
Okay. I've never seen a camera on the bike. I'm like, did that?
yeah, it's the GoPro.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm out of breath. Oh.
Good temp.
Such a perfect day. Like,
Yeah.
there were so
Yeah.
many clouds, and I was like, oh,
Yeah,
crap.
good job.
May first. So many clouds, and then it started raining us on the trail, and then it stopped, and I'm like, yay! All that bad weather was pushed away.
Yeah,
Yeah, and it's so dry here.
Oh, yeah. Hey, are you guys from Calgary?
Yeah.
Yep.
I know everyone's on this side, though, because the other side is still so wet.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's so busy.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Hey.
Teka, ibaba kayo.
Oh, he needs to lower his seat post.
You're crazy. You need one of them things, man. Oh, yeah.
Mine's fixed.
Yeah, yeah. We're good.
Mine's fixed. Too bad for me. Oh, hi. Sorry.
There you go.
Thank you for waiting.
Yeah, sure. I'll stay at the back. Ow. Ah, this is a new one. You're doing good. That was fun, man.
Yeah!
What the?
You gotta get out of here. You gotta check it out. That was pretty nice.
You're doing good.
Holy.
How come we didn't do that the last time, man? Was that new?
Fix the gadget.
Too bad I can't lower my seat post. I'm dead. No!
Woo!
No! Just one more. I told him there's one more behind us.
Sorry.
Woo! Woo! More? Woo!
You're up with me in front? Sonny?
Oh, what's that?
Are you okay with me in front?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay. I don't mind. We can go for it, buddy.
No, I'm gonna let Bill go ahead of me. Yeah, just follow. Bill. Woo! Ah! Haha.
I think so. Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's not too far.
It's not too far. Just like right up here. Just keep going straight.
There's the highway, man. Highway.
Are we close? Because I'm losing pressure. My rear wheel.
Oh, well, it's completely flat, eh?
Oh, shit.
I've got a pump for you.
What happened here? Can you give me a minute? I can't just pump air into it, eh?
No,
If I do that, it's gonna...
it won't last long.
Like
You got everything though?
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. I've got like a foot pump with me if you want. A bit easier.
Really? Awesome.
Have you got Presta or?
It's a Presta.
Cool, yeah.
Oh, she has a foot pump, so... Should I screw it in?
Yeah.
There you go. I used to bring those CO2 things,
Ah, yes, yeah.
but yeah, they're disposable, and sometimes if you have two flats, they're no good.
Okay.
They're just good with one tire.
Yeah, yeah.
So how's your bike holding up? You think it's the right bike for this trail?
I think it's not too bad for this trail, eh?
Yeah.
Pretty good, but yeah.
So you're gonna bring this bike to Vancouver?
Yeah, if I don't sell it, I've had a bit of interest over the last couple of days. There's a guy that wants to look at it.
That's such a nice pump.
Yeah.
Doesn't take long to
To go away. And just I think main reason I got it was because my valves keep screwing out, you know, when I use the
yeah, because the Prestas,
I hate that, eh? They don't last
yeah,
at all.
and then you just throw the tube away.
Yeah, it's just gone.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh! That was sketchy. Ah! Oh! Oh! Nice one! Ah! That was good, man.
That was really good. That was good times, man. That was fucking glorious over there.
Dude. I'll never bring this bike again. Ah! Need a bigger bike.
Oh yeah.
Jesus,
There's
man.
enough traction there, eh, Billy? Hold the line.
195 and 2.0 sucks.
So loose.
Yeah, so loose.
Far out.
Yeah, you just can lock it up, eh?
Yeah, you lock it up, holy crap, you're gonna wash out. Oh yeah, for the video.
I got my phone. I wrote it down in the phone.
Yeah. John is one word.
Oh, one word.
Yeah. I'll upload it via Vimeo, I guess, because Facebook, because the background music for it, if you don't have the copyrights for it, Facebook will just wipe it out or take it out. So I'll be uploading it on Vimeo, and
You can put your Lady Gaga songs.
I will. I think the last time is Katy Perry. Eh?
Oh my God.
Nice to meet you.
For sure. Thanks for the pump.